Acura Tsx front brake pad replacement. Driver side is your brake fluid reservoir. Uncover it. Take off your tire. Two number 14 on there. On the bottom, take off your caliper. Once you remove both your 14s, take off your caliper. Alright, once your caliper is removed, there's these two clips. And take those out of your pads and remove the old pads. Alright, piston's been compressed. Make sure you put the right inside pad with the wear strip on the same side. Install it now. New pads are installed. Reinstalled my clips. I'm going to put back on our caliper and put back in our two number 14s. Alright, once you reinstall your two number 14s, cover back your reservoir, put your tire back on, pump your brakes before you start to drive. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.